Today's tutorial, how to set fonts in PDF. Welcome everybody. Today's tutorial, I will show you how to set fonts in PDFs using IronPDF. First, let's head over to the NuGet Package Manager. As you can see, I've already installed the IronPDF. So we're going to go ahead and jump on into the program CS file and dive into the code. I'll showcase a demo console application and walk you through the code step by step. We start by setting up the IronPDF license key. This key is essential for using IronPDF. You should replace it with your license key, obviously, if you want to make it work. I've wrapped this part of the code in a region to keep it organized and hidden from the video view. Next, we have some HTML content. The first HTML block includes a link to a Google font called Lobster. This font will be applied to a paragraph with the text, "Hello Google Fonts," styled by 30 pixels in size. We have another HTML string that uses a custom font called Pixelify, and this custom font is loaded from a local file path on my machine. The paragraph in this HTML will display the text custom font in 70 pixel font size using Pixelify. We then create an instance of a Chrome PDF renderer. This powerful renderer provided by IronPDF allows us to convert HTML content into a PDF format. Before rendering the PDFs, we ensure all fonts are loaded by setting wait for .allfontsloaded parentheses 2000. And this command waits about 2 seconds to ensure all fonts are ready. With the fonts loaded, we render the first HTML content to PDF, and the resulting PDF is saved as font-test.pdf in a specified directory. We repeat the same process for the second HTML content containing the custom font and save this PDF as custom-font.pdf. Now let's run the program and see what happens. All right, so the code executed successfully, so let's see the output PDF files. All right, so here are the outputs. On the left, we have font.test.pdf, which shows Hello Google Fonts in the Lobster font. On the right, we have custom-font.pdf, displaying custom font using the custom Pixelify font. Both PDFs demonstrate how to apply different fonts, including web and custom fonts, in your PDF documents using IronPDF. And that's it. Now you know how to set fonts in PDFs using IronPDF. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand.